Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Steam not opening games. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If Steam is not opening games, there are several potential fixes you can try. Here are some troubleshooting steps to help resolve the issue. So firstly, close Steam completely and restart your PC. Then, open Steam again and try launching the game. Next method, open your Steam, click on Steam in the top left corner, then choose Check for Steam Client Updates, and install any available updates. Another method, right click on the game in your Steam library, then choose to click Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for and fix any missing or corrupted files. Next method, right-click on the Steam shortcut on your desktop, then choose Run as Administrator. This can help resolve permission issues that might be preventing games from launching. Another method, some background programs can interfere with Steam. Try disabling unnecessary background programs and antivirus software temporarily to see if it helps. Another method, uninstalling Steam. Make sure to back up your games if necessary. Then, reinstall Steam and the affected games. This can fix any corrupted files within Steam itself. Another method, open Steam, then click on Steam in the top left corner, then choose to click Settings, go to the Downloads tab, click on Clear Download Cache. This will log you out of Steam, so you will need to log back in. Another method, go to Settings, Windows Update, and just check for updates and install any that are available. And lastly, Steam and some games provide log files that can help diagnose the issue. These files are usually found in the installation directory or Steam's logs folder. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.